This is a beautiful 1953 Hudson Hornet four-door sedan. Kind of an off-white with a light green top and a green interior. And a car with what they would call step-down design. Low center of gravity. When you entered the car, you actually stepped into the car. And you stepped down when you stepped into the car. You notice that back window there pivots for ventilation. And you'll notice the beautiful interior. It looks very comfortable indeed. That middle part, I think, folds down to make either an armrest or allows you to carry three in the back very easily. Up front we have seat belts installed, and you'll notice a very big steering wheel, of course, which was typical at the time. This Hydromatic, which was bought from General Motors, and it's in the reverse position, which is appropriate because that was how you placed these cars in what we would now call park, when the car was at a stop and the engine, I guess, was off. You put it in reverse, and that acted as a park position, which would lock the car in place. Under the hood here we have, you see, a 6-volt battery. You see a wiring block up front, which shows the older type wiring that was done at this point. And here's a little description of what a great car these were on the racing circuit. These 6-cylinder engines with dual carbs, which they call twin power, were very fast, and that low center of gravity that I talked about a minute ago made them real winners on the racetrack. But then by the mid-50s they kind of got eclipsed by all the new V8s that came out in around that time. And so that was pretty much the end for Hudson. They lasted on through till 57, but the last couple of years they were essentially rebadged Nashes. Beautiful car. Take another look inside. You might have noticed that the radio aerial was in the middle of the roof, which was middle front of the roof, which was typical. Buick did that. They had a little knob, some of them, and you could turn the antenna either up or down. Notice the assist straps in the back and handles. Lots of chrome on the car. And we have fender skirts too. And bumper guards and tail lights, and of course we have the rocket there for the Hudson, twin H power. Quite a car in its time. Sad to see it go.